I see most of the students can be happy and then enjoy, although for some of them, maybe grade 9, it's too hard for them because maybe there will be many things, many terms that is new for them. But I got the enthusiasm for them, that they want to learn the new things, and that's quite good. And then I hope that our students not only know about the AI, the importance of AI, but they can embrace the AI. Although the AI, like, maybe they think that it's the negative effect. Why? Because it can replace the human jobs or works in the future. Maybe some of them will think, if AI will happening in the future, what will I work? But I think they have to think more, because it means that they have to change their mindset. It's not become the worker, but they have to be more creative. Now, thank you for the committee that do this workshop, and I hope that we can have another cooperation in the future. And thank you.